see, it's nice to see that now the construction site is now a school. You know, like the transition from a construction site to a school is really satisfying. So here in Pozoguera we did a retrofit of a kitchen. It's really important because some of the children were not able to go to the school because they couldn't just have food provided at lunch. So in the kindergarten, the building that was existing was in really bad condition. So some rebar was sticking out. It was dangerous in case of like an earthquake. So that's why we did this rebuild. 2 new classrooms and 1 habitation for the teachers. So in addition of that, we also did 2 projects of rain harvesting system. So we are collecting the water from the roof and just making sure the community can use it.
Ellos hicieron maravillas para nosotros. Tuvieron raspones, machucones y ellos no se rajaban. Nosotros aquí, ahorita en tiempo de invierno, fue muy difícil, el frío muy inmenso, pero ellos nunca se rajaron, todo lo contrario. Siempre ahí están, en su trabajo. Fue una buena química para el pueblo y lo que hicieron pues se va a quedar sembrado para toda la vida.